Hello to all of my peeps. How are you? I am back with another dish. I'm so excited. Can't wait to try it. I have something so simple to all of my peeps and to all of you that's new subscribers. And if you're just watching my video for the first time, I'm asking that you please subscribe and hit like and share. With that being said, now I have corn on the cob. I have my peppers, of course. I have my cilantro rice sauteed, and I also have Blove smackalicious sauce sauteed with shrimp, smothered with shrimp and onions and ginger on top of the rice. When I say it is delicious, it is delicious. I literally eat her sauce with just about everything and all things. So you guys try it. I mean, it's really, really, really good. And I can't wait to eat these big jumbo shrimps I already had. And this rice and this, oh my goodness. There you go. Ah, yes. And then mine are spicy too. Oh, now this is my drink. I have to give me some Gatorade, y'all. Oh, this is really awesome. This is really good, you guys. It really is. You see that onion? Watch this. See that onion with my sauce? Y'all see that? It's really good. It's tasty. Oh, this is delicious. I have a little cut on my finger, so I'm trying not to touch the thing. It's healed, but you know when you have those paper cuts, the cuts you cannot see. You just feel, I can feel it. Yes, I do feel it. I really was hungry, y'all. My mama said something else. She said, well, when you gonna get full? You know, I really have been praying for a lot of those single moms out there. My heart goes out to you guys. Delicious. Y'all know anytime I want to eat, sometimes I just be like, might as well go and make a video. Why waste the video? But it's all good. And the neighborhood. When I be eating in silent, I be trying to give it to my SMRI family. They just love to hear the eating and no talking. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm glad you're here. You all really need to try this sauce on different things. When I say I eat this sauce on just about everything, I really do. I love this sauce. Delicious. I would like to try different sauces. I did try Diamond Dash, and that was good. So I have my information at the bottom of the screen for those of you that would like to send me anything or ask me any questions or any suggestions you want to give me and you don't want to put it out there. Send me an email and I put me a P.O. box there. And so just send me the information if you would like for me to eat something different try something and put it down. Let me know. Let me know what you think, what's going on with you. And just share your thoughts. And those of you that has a channel, let's support one another. And I love you, and I'm just excited. I'm happy every time I come on. I love you guys, and until next time, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, I am ready for you. Excuse me. Peace out, toodles. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe.